you're starting on a new part of your career. What do you make of the courses, and why have you selected to come here to Wales to do your ALS?
Well, basically why I came here, I heard about it from some previous players that had done it, and they spoke volume about it, and how impressive it was, and how good Osh was, especially in talking directly to players and making it like an individual thing. Also the fact that you can allowing you here to be yourself, to be the coach that you can be, without giving you like let's say you have to do this and that. They give you a platform to be the best coach that you can be, but at the same time being yourself through it, and that's that is very important. And now being here, it is kind of weird to see it from the other side of the line, if I can say that like that, because there are some stuff that I took for granted as a player. Because as a player yourself, you come, you train, you leave. You don't want to know if the boss has some problem, if you had any type of problem, to put the session together, structure the session, talk to the fitness coach, who is tired, who is not tired, who is coming back from injury, who is going or leaving the training session, sorry, injured. All these little details that as a player you concentrate on yourself, and now you can help the team and you go home. Now seeing it from the other side, it's totally different. It's totally different, and I'm learning the process. It's early for me still to know about it all, but first and foremost, to have the opportunity, sorry, to have the platform for you to get better as a coach. It's impressive, and I can only thank Osh and the Welsh FA for that.